Yes, I can see right now the site has been tested and confirmed. It's over 3 weeks on trial. It has been certified. It is okay. The site is okay. Yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go. We're signing out. We are signing out. We are signing out. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, this is one of our PV combiner box. There is the second one. Yeah, and we have that guy over there, the third one. I just came in to see and be sure everything here is very okay. As well to place engravings on them for better understanding of each circuit breaker during. Yeah.